Did I tell you I love seafood? Now I can see me food cooking. G'day, it's Craig from KickAss Products, and check out our new improved travel oven. Now this is the same tried and true tested as our previous model, but we've made a few improvements to make it even better for you. Now check it out, we put a double glazed glass door. That's right, there's actually two pieces of glass, not single like a lot of the others around. We've got your light switch, you can turn the light on and off so you can actually see at night time at the cooking as well. And a digital thermostat. How cool is that? So now you can actually get a more accurate idea what inside the oven is and monitor your temperatures that little bit better. It comes with the two oven racks, as you can see as standard. You've got your two racks there. Just like our other model, it comes with your cigarette lighter adapter and typical KickAss style, and it's a connector as well, which is the much preferred way to connect this oven up. Okay, so I'm about to cook you up a big treat. Now this recipe has been handed down to me from generation to generation. It's Craigos spicy kick-ass chicken wings. Now for those who like little tiny chicken wings, mate, look at these. We're chucking the whole thing in, the tips, the drumsticks, the wing, the whole lot, mate. No little noosa wings here. I've got some fresh ginger that I grew in the garden, some garlic. So first off, we're gonna need a sharp knife. So there we go. All right, let's start cutting it up. Alrighty, now they just go straight in the bowl. Next is our jalapenos that I grew in the garden as well. Now I use the seeds and everything. These I just chop the crap out of them and away you go. So let's go. Okay, so whack them in the bowl too. Now with this recipe, I like to use some of these spring onions. I like to use the actual white bits of the spring onions, so we'll give them a quick go too while we're at it. All right, whack them in the bowl. Now we want to whack a little bit of paprika in. I like using smoky paprika. It tastes a lot better, I reckon. Whack some of that there in too. Maybe a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Some soy sauce. Now I like to use a bit of hot soy sauce too. It's nice and spicy, which is really, really good. Now I like to use a bit of malt vinegar. It's got a slightly nicer flavour to it than normal white vinegar, I reckon. Makes a big difference, so chuck that in there. A little bit of fish sauce. Then I like to use a bit of ABC sauce, which is a sweet soy and a really thick one. It makes it really nice instead of adding any sugars or anything like that. It's really good. Oh, one of my favourite chili sauce. This has got a really nice zing to it. This is great. You can obviously add whatever sort of chili sauce you want to put in there. It's totally up to you what you want to put in there. Just put in the amount that you like. Then I like to use a bit of honey just to give it a nice, nice sweet flavour. Like some of that in there. Like that. Straight out of the beehive. And we just want to give it all a bit of a stir up. Oh, it smells so good. Oh. So now it's time for the wings. So what we want to do is just whack them in the bowl. Make sure you drown the crap out of them. Okay, so next up is to transfer the wings into the KickAss oven tray. Now these are available on the website as an extra item. I highly suggest them. They do come with a trivet as well for different styles of cooking. I'm not going to use this particular time. And I do have a little bit of baking paper in the bottom. It just saves the clean up at the end of the day. And hey, when we're camping, we don't want to do any extra dishwashing, so it'll just go straight into the fire. So let's transfer the wings into the oven tray. I mean, look at that. How awesome does that look? And they're just gonna cook in that juice. So what we've done is we've preheated the oven. You want it around about 180, and we're gonna whack it in the oven now, and we're gonna have a quick check on it in about half an hour's time. Get rid of that. And we'll whack the wings in the oven. Alrighty, so it's been about an hour and 45 minutes and the wings look like they're done. It smells amazing. So what I'm gonna do is chop up a little bit more spring onion just to sprinkle over the top, and I've got some sesame seeds here. So just to do the final touches. Make sure you get your watch in. Check out that. That looks so awesome. I like heaps of sesame seeds. Okay, so head over to our website, check out the brand new travel oven with the glass doors. Don't forget to grab yourself one of the oven trays while you're at it. And thanks very much for watching the video, we appreciate it. I'm gonna dig into me wings.
If you want to see more videos from KickAss, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. We're always bringing out videos on geeky 12-volt stuff, new products, and more. Thanks for watching.